So yeah, that was my Let's Play of Jade Empire, and it's a good game. You should definitely buy it, so you can play it yourself, do some different choices. I mainly took the, I don't know, evil choices, I guess, although the game didn't really go into if it was evil or necessary or some shit like that. Well, it's kind of the evil path. And you can take the good path, or a mix of both good and evil, and see where it takes you. Jade Empire was made by BioWare, and it's a good game. As far as I know, there's no sequel in the works. So yeah, it's a single game. So yeah, buy it. It's good. Trust me. Yeah, that's basically all I had to say. It was my first Let's Play, so I had a great deal of fun, although there was some difficulties along the way. Like the fucking constant crashes. But you know what? I'll see if they appear in the next game, and then I'll have it fixed. And what do you know? I just noticed now that the leaves are falling. That's kind of cool. Didn't notice that before. Yeah, that's basically my thoughts on it. It's a good game. I enjoyed playing it. This was my second time. So yeah, buy it, play it, rate it, whatever. See you at the next one. Till the next one. Well, see you when I see you.